Guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a landing page to your current website. But before we continue, please consider to subscribe to help us post more helpful guides and tutorials on our channel. And thanks. Let's begin. First, log into your current website and you'll be directed to current dashboard. Click on new site plus button here on the top right corner and head over to just click on landing. Choose your landing page template. For example, I'm gonna choose this template. Click on select. This template will be added to your edit page where you can customize the text title, your text description, the buttons, here the elements, the background color. Also you can change that here by clicking on appearance. You can change the margin, the height, the width, padding, and the checkbox title. You can also customize your social links and city button at text here. Click on this to view the mobile view of your current landing page and click on this to go back to the desktop view. If you want to add any element, please click on the plus button here. To add any element, you can add text, list, photos, image, video, links, icons, audio, gallery, table, timer, container, etc. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.